Most people fail at budgeting because they overcomplicate it. Spreadsheets, apps, color-coded categories. Here is the truth: you only need one rule. It is called the 50-30-20 rule. And it works for any income level, anywhere in the world. 50% of your income goes to your needs. Rent, food, bills, transport, the non-negotiables. 30% goes to your wants. Eating out, streaming, clothes, fun. Yes, you are allowed to enjoy your life. And 20%, this is the crucial one, goes to saving and investing. This is the wealth-building slice. This is the one most people skip. And it is exactly why they are still broke at 50. Here is the key step. Automate the 20% the moment your salary hits your account. Do not leave it to willpower. Set up an automatic transfer. Make it invisible. Treat it like a bill you have no choice but to pay, except this bill is paid to your future self. 50, 30, 20, that is the entire system. No app required. No spreadsheet needed. If your spending looks nothing like this right now you know exactly where to start. Follow Grow Your Wealth for a new money tip every single day. What percentage are you currently saving? Drop it in the comments.